Good morning is Wednesday, March 20th, and yesterday I got the Nakiri all finished up. So I was having everything, like working on everything together. So everything is up to being worked on 80. So all four of those guys. I got this one, the Nakiri, up to 80, and it's like, I just had to go with it. So I went with it, and I hope the camera just shows how pleased I am with this. It is absolutely gorgeous. It polished up so lovely. I will be doing a leather saya for it, but correction, Daniel volunteered because he's got a saya that he's gonna be working on next week. So Daniel is gonna do a saya with it, for it, and I'm sure it will be gorgeous, and he'll do some cool little border tooling like we typically do. So really what my day will be getting the other four knives all down to hand sanding and hopefully get them at least partially hand sanded. If I can get them hand sanded all today, that'd be beautiful, and because then I'll be able to get them in stock tomorrow. Otherwise, that's really my day. Here is Daniel with what he's got going on.
What's up, y'all? Just to get you caught up with what's going on in my world, I've got sheaths all taken care of. So the Bowie, this one will also be going in stock. I'm actually finishing sharpening it, as well as the redone sheath I had to take care of real quick. Had a customer send in a knife. They basically have this kind of small hunter where if you see that line, they want that kind of ground back to, and then I'll resharpen it, send that back on off, and then we're gonna finish this custom up. Talked with the customer. They are having a Kydex sheath made by another company and or gentleman. I am going to go ahead and put the serrations in on the back, as well as sharpen the main edge. So that will be the majority of my day, as well as whatever else comes in. If I can get to the High Carbon Gyutos, that will be great. And then also try and glue up some other things. Start that saya along with the Russell's saya for his Nakiri. Kind of get a bunch of that going on. Hopefully somewhere in the week I can get that taken care of. But now we're going to go in our favorite spot with our favorite guy, Russell. What's up, bud?
It's good.
What are we talking about today?
Today we're talking about the restock of our favorite knife, the Task. So if you haven't been following along, this is a knife that Nico designed, and we sent it off to Kizer, and they made it into a reality. So this is a Wharncliffe or reverse Tonto, however you want to word it. 154 cm steel with micarta handle. It has Kizer's adjustable clutch lock, reversible deep carry pocket clip, and just an absolutely stunning blade. It works, my fingers don't. Nice cool swedge up here, just a little detail in it. Super pleased to have these back in stock. And so you know, the first production run of this knife has officially sold out. We don't know how many they made in the first production run. We had gotten 43 of them, and then we went to order another 50, and they were like, well, sorry, we only have 15. They will be restocked in May. So if you're looking for one, get one while you can, because there will be probably a lag where no one has one for at least a little while. April or May. So take a look.
Right on, y'all. All right, we'll wrap it up here. See you on the next one.